In this video, I'll show you how to manually add one contact to SurveyMonkey step by step, quickly and easily. If you use SurveyMonkey to manage surveys, invitations, or contact lists, this is a simple process that can save you time when you only need to add one person instead of importing a full list. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to save the contact correctly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This is where your account and contact tools are usually located. After you click your profile, a menu should appear. From that menu, click on Contacts. This will take you to your SurveyMonkey address book, where you can manage your saved contacts. On the contacts page, look for the option that says Add Single Contact. Click that option to open the form for adding one contact manually. Now you'll see fields where you can enter the contact details. Start by typing the person's name in the name field. Make sure it's spelled correctly so you can recognize the contact later. Next, type the email address into the email field. This is the most important part if you plan to send surveys or invitations to this person, so double check that the email address is accurate. Once the name and email are entered, review the information one more time to make sure everything looks correct. If needed, you can also fill in any additional details SurveyMonkey provides, but for a basic single contact, the main details are usually name and email. When you're ready, click Add Contacts. SurveyMonkey will save the contact to your list, and the person will now be available in your contact manager for future survey sends. That's it. You've successfully added one contact manually in SurveyMonkey. This is a really useful skill when you just need to add someone quickly without uploading a spreadsheet or importing a large list. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.